You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 85, creating report for time to close after resolution. Now let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. Once you log in using your primary account, as you can see, I'm logged in using my primary account. We'll click on top left corner and then we'll click on Jira Service Management. And then we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Under NetSoft IT Service Management, we will click on Reports and then we are going to click on Create New Report. We'll give the name as Resolution Met Incident. Top right corner, click on Add Series and we are going to give the name Time to Close After Resolution and we are going to give percentage met. Give the name as closure % for incident. We'll select this color. You can select any color you want. Make sure you have selected basic under filter by specific work item. Click on add. We see 100% closure for the incident. Click on create. Click on report and here you have that incident. Time to, let's refresh it. What's the name that we have given? So if it is not reflecting, you just need to click on refresh and here we have resolution met incident. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.